Hey folks, it is January 6th, about 11:15, and this is the blizzard of 2014. You can see there's ice-covered walls just outside the door of my apartment, and it is really bad down there. The only word I can use for this is brutal. Now, the low tonight is supposed to be -1 or -2, somewhere around there. And the wind chills are going to bring the temperature down to about -40. And I am down here right now and it does not feel too good. We're walking to the parking lot here. I've never felt winds like this in my life. You can see, you can barely see right in front of you. And we haven't had conditions like this in 20 years with those really low wind chills near -40. It's been a long time since we've seen any cold that close. I'm out here documenting this for you guys. These cars are covered. It's not so much the snow. I mean, we're supposed to get about 3 feet of snow with this storm, but all of it lake effect. But the major issue here is the wind chill. And I'll tell you, I'm 24 years old and I've never, ever felt winds like this, cold like this. This 2014 winter has really been something else. I mean, just shooting this video, my hand just is completely frozen. And the National Weather Service declared it a blizzard. Times like this I wish I was living in the South, but the South's getting some bad temperatures too right now. It's just unbelievable weather. Whew, man. Alright. I hope everybody's nice and warm. I'm out.